Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Today I am going to talk about checkpoints while availing cashless and reimbursement facility from Ericson TPA for group medical insurance scheme for Bank of India employees and Bank of India retired employees. Group health insurance policy for Bank of India employees and retired employees for the period from 1st November 2024 to 31st October 2025. MS Ericson Insurance TPA Pvt Limited has been allocated to Bank of India employees and retired employees as TPA service provider for group medical health insurance. Checkpoints while availing cashless facility. Keep a check of the network hospitals of your TPA as it may change periodically. Always carry your health ID card and a photo ID with you to avail cashless in the network hospitals. Intimate your TPA about your hospitalization within 24 hours of hospitalization in case of emergency admission. For planned hospitalizations, make sure you intimate the TPA before 48 hours of admission and get the approval done. Make sure you sign the cashless request form before it is sent by the hospital. Do check the cashless request form for the charges being applied as it is going to affect your Mediclaim eligibility in future. Mention all the relevant details about your present as well as past ailment while filling the cashless request form. Do not opt for the higher room category than your policy eligibility, as it will reduce your approval proportionate to your eligibility. Do ask for the hospital bill periodically when you are hospitalized for longer duration. Kindly keep record of your intermediate bill or bill till date by cross-verifying services being provided by the hospital, the charges being applied for the same. Asking the intermediate hospital bill will also ensure about your sum assured utilization and availability. Do intimate your TPA insurer regarding any misrepresentation of the details in the hospital billing. Sign the final bill as well as original discharge summary before leaving the hospital. Duly fill up and sign the claim form and submit the same to the hospital before leaving the hospital. Leave all the original hospitalization documents with the hospital and carry the photocopies with you for future references. Carry the original paid receipt of the amount paid by you to the hospital to reimburse the same if applicable. Checkpoints while availing reimbursement facility. Provide the intimation of the hospitalization to your TPA within 24 hours of the hospitalization through online registration or email or on call. Submit your claim documents within the stipulated time frame mentioned in the policy by insurance companies. Submit the documents as per the checklist provided by your TPA or insurer. Submit all your hospitalization documents in original to your TPA and keep a copy with you for future reference. Do not forget to get the acknowledgement for the submitted documents. Make sure you are availing the room category or other benefits as per your available eligibility, which would save your money on proportionate deductions. Make sure your bill is as per the commitment given by the hospital and not inflated just because you are going to claim it from the insurance company, as it may reflect negatively on your sum assured and your subsequent renewals. Collect the paid receipts for all the bills paid by you from the hospital or from the consultants and submit the same in original to your TPA for processing. Check your balance sum assured periodically to know your remaining eligibility with the insurer. Do respond to the queries raised by the TPA or insurer within stipulated timeline to avoid further delay in claim settlement. If you have any queries related to your claim settlement, do get it cleared from your TPA. The contact details of MS Ericson Insurance TPA Pvt Limited. Address: Head Office, 11C Corporate Park, ST Road, Chembur, Mumbai 400071. Contact officials of TPA: Mrs. Rosmita Manjarekar, Team Leader. Mobile number 8976881603 and email boi@ericsontpa.com. Mr. Pratik Kale, Senior Executive. Mobile 70455920058 and email boiretireage@ericsontpa.com. Mr. Amar Salve, Senior Executive. Email boi@ericsontpa.com. Intimation in case of hospitalization of employees. Intimation@ericsontpa.com. Intimation also can be done by visiting website www.ericsontpa.com. Toll free number 1800-202-2034. Call center support 022-4154-8300. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, share and subscribe.